welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I'm coming at you with a relaxed hair video. I was looking back at my channel and I was like, when was the last time that I did anything relaxed hair care related? So I really wanted to do my day and night routine with my relaxed hair, showing you guys in depth the techniques that I use to preserve my style, as well as the products, my go-to products. It's not a lot. I like to keep it nice and simple. I like to use quality stuff as well, so you guys will see that in the video today. But I have to let you guys know that I am on a hair journey. You're gonna see in the video today that I have some broken pieces, so I'm gonna show you how I kind of keep those broken layers. I say layers, but we all know they're broken pieces, okay, that I'm trying to grow out. But I'll show you guys how I tame them so it looks healthy. And I have been getting some comments, so thank you guys, in my videos and on my Instagram, saying how healthy and shiny my hair looks. So it definitely has to do with my routine and the fact that I don't over process my hair with a lot of heat. That is the biggest thing for me right now, is making sure that I'm not over stressing my hair, because it is relaxed. I want to say the last time I put a relaxer in my hair was August, maybe right before my birthday. So I like to stretch my relaxers out maybe past 2 months. I don't like to do it so often, but when I have a lot of new growth, I'm like, girl, we gotta get that under control. So right now we're about a couple months into the relaxer, and I also just got my hair trimmed back in September, I want to say. So nice healthy ends, as you could see. Definitely trying to make sure that the ends stay healthy so that our hair doesn't split and then break off, right? So definitely check out the description box. I'm gonna put the products and stuff that I use in the video today, so you guys can check that out. And I'm gonna start with my morning routine so you guys can see what I do when I wake up first thing in the morning, and then I'll transition that over to my night routine, how I protect my hair while I'm sleeping in my bed. Because if I just go to bed with a hair tie, I'm gonna wake up with kinks in my hair, probably broken pieces on my pillow, and it's just gonna be a mess for me to deal with in the morning, where I'm gonna have to go in and use a hot tool to correct the mess of me just going to sleep. So I hope that you guys take some tips or something out of this video if you have similar hair texture as myself. And I just want you guys to know that you have to take care of your hair if it's relaxed. I know for me, like, my hair is really curly, so it's a lot easier for me to maintain my hair day to day, being that it is an easier texture for me to work with. And my hair will stay nice like this for a good 7 days if I do these routines like I'm showing you in the video today, every day, morning and nighttime. So you don't have to over process your hair with heat, which makes this ideal for anyone that's trying to have healthier hair. So I'm gonna take you guys into my bathroom and we're gonna get this routine started. Bye guys. Rise and shine, rise and shine. Let's see what our hair is looking like this morning. I am a rough sleeper, so sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I'll wake up in the middle of the night and my scarf is like halfway off my head. Comment below if you guys can relate. But for the most part, this scarf does a great job at not slipping around. I know silk scarves are better for you, but listen, that thing is not gonna stay on my head all night. So this is what I'm working with. I'm just gonna take my ratchet brush, some of the Conair, and just brush my hair out. Don't mind my breakage. We're still trying to grow that out. I'm on a hair journey right now. So I just like to detangle my hair, and you can see just by like wrapping my hair at nighttime, like I don't need to go over it with a straightening iron, right? Because it's straight. There's no kinks from a hair tie. There's no indentations from any hair tie or anything like that. I just need to fix my edges. It's a hot mess. And add a little bit of shine to kind of revive my style a little bit. So I'm going to start with my edge control, and I love this stuff. Shout out to my grandma for putting me onto this. This is the Cream of Nature with argan oil, perfect edges. And I really like this because it doesn't harden my hair, it doesn't get cakey. Like, I can wear my hair like this without washing it or re-straightening it for, I would say, a good 7 days. 7 days is pushing it, but I've done it before and it works out great. So I'm probably gonna use whatever's left in this. Don't be fooled, I do have a backup. So I'm just gonna pop this on my edges, and it also doesn't leave like a greasiness. I do feel like it moisturizes my edges, and I'll probably end up using like a dime size amount. So just pop that on. Oh, and it also doesn't make them look kind of white, you know what I mean, like gunky. I don't like edge control that does that, so that's why I've stuck with this one for so long. Once I've applied my edge control, I like to use this little brush here. I call this like my little edge brush. I'll link this down below. It is amazing, and I'll just start working that product in my edges and kind of just like swooping them back to lay them down. People do their edges differently, so do whatever you're comfortable with. I also have like this weird hairline where, I don't know, it grows unevenly, so I just swoop this part back. I don't know if that made any sense. So yeah, I'm just gonna swoop it in. And this is good too because it holds down my flyaways, aka my broken pieces. But I want to show you guys in real time my hair care routine for day to day because it really is super quick, and that's why I like having my hair relaxed, because I don't have to do a bunch of stuff. I really don't have to use a ton of product in my hair. It's just more manageable for me. So whatever's left on the brush, you just saw I just smoothed it back to help lay those pieces down, and then I'll just brush my hair out really quick. And I guess this is where you would decide, or I would decide, if I want to wear my hair in a middle part or if I want to do it all the way slicked back like this. I actually really like it slicked back because it's not in my face. I don't have my hair touching my face, therefore I'm not going to be breaking out. So I like this. I'm going to go in with a shine spray. This is the It's a 10 Miracle Shine Spray. This stuff is amazing. I feel like they changed the formula though, and obviously the packaging. It used to come in a aluminum tin sort of spritzer, but it smells a little bit different than what I remember. I mean, it still works. It's just a great product to use, I would say, for all hair types, but especially relaxed hair, because it does soften coarser texture, it adds shine, it helps with anti-humidity protection, it locks in the moisture in your hair, which is super key. You definitely want to be moisturizing your hair, especially when it is relaxed. And it's also used for a thermal protector, and it helps with elasticity, and it's weightless. So there's so many amazing things with that product, and honestly all their products that I love. So I'll link my favorites in the description box. So I'm just gonna brush that down, and then once I have my style how I like it, I'm actually running out of this, and this is like really beat up my bottle, but I go in with a light hairspray. This one that I like is the Way Soft Hold Hairspray. And I like this because it doesn't make my hair feel crispy or crunchy. It's very movable, and it doesn't cake up my hair. Like, I don't feel like I have a ton of product build up by my next wash day. So I'm just gonna spritz mostly on the top of my head where I have those breakages, broken pieces. There's really not much left. It also helps with my hair not poofing up throughout the day. I don't know if you guys ever experienced that, if you deal with like salty air or humidity or anything like that. So that's pretty much all I do in the morning. That's about it for my morning routine. What I'm gonna do is apply a little bit of an oil. I really like this one. As you can tell, there's probably a few drops of it left. It's the Way hair oil, and it smells absolutely amazing. This is a pretty heavy oil, so I mean, one little squirt is enough. I hate that word. I'm gonna rub it in my hands to evenly distribute this in my hair. This is gonna give me some moisture. It's gonna add a little bit of shine. It also smells really good, and it's gonna sink into my hair while I sleep overnight, so I wake up and my hair is even more moisturized. So I'm gonna get that on the ends, and that's it. I'm only gonna use one little pump of that, and I'm just gonna brush that through my hair. So you guys have been giving me some really pretty compliments on my hair recently, especially on Instagram, saying how healthy and shiny it looks. Definitely has a nice little bit of luster. It's really lightweight, even with all the products that I've been using for the past few days. and that's key. I don't want to have a lot of product build up. I don't want my hair to feel sticky or tacky or greasy or anything like that. I just want to keep the moisture locked in, and I think that has to do with the products that I'm using, to be honest. I do have breakage, so you guys are gonna see like this has actually grown out quite a bit. It's broken, but you know, I blend it into my hair so it doesn't look crazy, and then obviously I lay my edges down, which you guys will see in the morning how I do that. So, ooh, sorry, I'm gonna get my scarf out. This is the scarf that I use. You can get it on Amazon. I will link it down below. I'm gonna wrap my hair. So how I do this, I know I'm gonna look like I'm possessed for a second, is I comb all of my hair around my head so that I have like, you know, like a little dot of a starting point, and it's all kind of combed down like an umbrella. Weird to explain, I know. Well, my hair's actually grown quite a bit. I'm trying to grow out my hair to be all one length. So once I do that, you're also gonna want like a Bora bristle brush so you can get a nice smooth wrap situation. And you wanna wrap your hair in whatever direction that your hair falls. For me, I basically wear my hair middle part or brushed all the way back, so this doesn't really matter. I'm just used to brushing my hair in this direction. So you're gonna start from one point. I use my other hand to hold in the center of the umbrella essentially, and you just want to wrap it. It's really hard to explain, just watch. I'm gonna switch over to this brush and really smooth it down and hold, so you can see from the back what it's looking like. Switch to this brush. Don't mind my kitchen, it's looking a little crazy right now. Alright, you can see how I'm holding it, right? And the whole point is just to smooth everything down in one direction. And this is really key to making your style last longer, because you don't want to have to keep straightening your hair every single day. It's going to dry it out and over process it, especially if you guys are like me and you do relax your hair. So this is like the biggest step to my hair routine, is making sure that I wrap it at nighttime. This way I don't have to wake up with creases or indentations from hair ties in the morning. So you can see I'm like at the end, so I'm just going to blend the ends into the rest of the wrap. It's pretty good. Hold it, grab your scarf, and you're going to tie it down as neatly as possible. You don't want this to shift, because then it might actually create indentations from the scarf when you do knot it. So I just find the center of my scarf and I place it over my head, making sure that it kind of covers my ears a little bit. And then I quickly remove my hand, and I'll just tie it off to the side. And then whatever is open, I'll just bring that down. And then tie it in the back. Make sure it's really tight. It's gonna actually press against your head too. So let's say it is like your wash day. I know for me, my hair never looks amazing the day that I wash it and straighten it. I have to wrap it like this and sleep on it, and then the next day, oh my gosh, my hair is looking bomb. It's because it's pressing it down and it's not fluffy or poofy looking. So this is how I'll go to sleep. This is how I walk around my house, you know, at nighttime. It's very secure. If you're a rough sleeper like me, this is like the best scarf to get. And that's just how I tie it. Probably takes me 3 minutes to just wrap it at nighttime while I'm watching TV or something. But yeah, this is what I do before sleep. Secure the scarf alert. Yes, I hope that you dolls enjoyed my relaxed hair care routine. And again, make sure you guys check out the description box below for all the products that your girl used today. All hair is beautiful. Do what you do with your hair. I'm not here to judge. If you're natural, God bless. If you're relaxed, God bless. If you're curly, God bless. Whatever type of hair that you have, God bless. I feel like beauty comes in all different variations, but ooh, that texture though. This is what I'm saying. The products that I use are amazing because it doesn't weigh your hair down. It doesn't feel sticky, tacky, or greasy, and that is key to this routine. So hopefully you guys check out the products that I use. Hashtag not sponsored. Just been rocking with the products for a while. So if you guys are interested to see my full-blown wash day routine from wet and curly looking hair to straight like this, comment down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll be sure to film that one next for you guys. So until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.